My name is Rezen de Bleker. I'm the VP of within Amazon Device Services and taking care of the global manufacturing team. Why did I come to Japan? I think I really wanted to learn about all lean. Also want to learn about others, and I think in Japan they have the whole lean methodology, so really wanted to see what's in it for us. Being able to improve our capability and also our efficiency.
The reason why I decided to come along on this tour was so that I could understand how lean is implemented in Japan. I talk a lot about lean in Japan and how it's the benchmark, and I just wanted to get a feeling for what it's like to be inside the factories of Japan so that I can take that back to clients. I've really enjoyed the tours around the facilities, especially today where we observed Kanban, and it is the best example of Kanban that I've ever seen, and there's lots and lots of best practice.
Being part of the Lean Japan tour is one of the best experiences that I have had. Knowing on the first hand the Lean implementation in Japan, in large Japan industries, will help us with our Lean journey. Kanban, 5Ss, and other tools will help us to reduce the cost, to have an efficient factory, to be more competitive.
I think all the factories, if you're a factory guy, you see a factory, you're a happy camper. And it's amazing about the kind of detail in these factories, and I see a lot of learning opportunities for my team as well as for myself. So yeah.
The most valuable aspect of this training for me was understanding that TPS aim to create a workplace where everyone is respected, trusted, and supports each other, and embracing the spirit of Genshi, Genbutsu, and Genin.
It was very valuable to visit and have conversations with the two hospitals. I will not forget terms like TQM, wastes, Kaizen, simplify, because we're a very complex process. So going back to basic.
So yeah, it's been great. The organization also has been great. In-class sessions, I really enjoyed the theory behind it, see it in practice. I think it's a very, very good combination.